Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is June 21st, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at top electric vehicle stocks and go from there. Look, we got some great names here. We got Lithium Americas, Albemarle, and so on and so forth. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, we'll take a look at top electric vehicle stocks and let's look at top lithium stocks. As many of you know, lithium is a key ingredient in EV batteries. And let's look at the battery stocks and EV charging stocks, EV picks and shovels. These are some great picks. They make money regardless. And then you got EV software stocks and EV stocks, basically automakers. And we'll also end up with a quick summary and which stocks we can buy now. So with that, let's jump in and get started. All right, let's start the top EV electric vehicle ETFs. Look, from an ETF perspective, we got lithium, top ETF with $4 billion asset. And look, it's been doing not so great. In 1 year, it's just 7% up, but up nicely in 5 and 10 years. And then you got Cathy Wood's ARKQ. It's down big time in 1 year, 38% down, but up in 5 years. But all the other ETFs, as you can see here, squarely in the red ink here, all negative. So you got to be a little bit careful. Generally, EV segment was on fire 2 years or so ago, but now it's coming back to earth. So we have to pick some great stocks and go from there. All right, so with that, let's jump in here and look at these ETFs. From an ETF perspective, look, we got lithium batteries here. Look, lithium is generally doing okay now after getting beaten down big time. Look, big time beaten down right from right here, December 2021, but now it's showing some strength here. Slowly it's trying to go higher. At this time you can pick up some great lithium stocks. And look, we got Cathy Wood here. Her ETF is also down big time, and now it's showing some strength, selectively, so we can buy some selective stocks. And look, DRIV, it's big time down here and showing some consolidation level, as you can see here, from on balance volume. And battery is down big time here. It's not showing too much consolidation, but some slow pickup here, so we can see here if we can buy some great stocks. So with that, let's jump in here and look at the lithium and battery technology stocks. From a lithium stock perspective, look, we got some great stocks here. SQM, which is one of my favorite in the lithium stock here. It's got nice overall score of 93 here, and look, it's got nice financials with grade B here, grade C for growth and profitability. And this stock has been doing pretty okay in 5 years and 1 year, even 3 months. So it's a good stock. You could buy this great company here. Right now, RSI is 45. Tells the stock is still sold off here. Nice net margin of 30%. You could buy this great company here. And next we got here, as you look through here, we got LTHM, Lithium Americas, next highest score, which is 40 here. You could buy this company also. Look, stock is sold off with the low RSI here, but it's done pretty okay in last, let's see here, 1 year, 30%, not too bad. And then you got 35 as FMC here. FMC is also a good one here. You could buy this great company here. Nice Pietroski F score 7. That tells you books are solid here. Very good books here. You could buy this great company. Has done 72% in last 5 years. And then you got a few more. I also like Lithium Americas. It's also a good company here. And look, stock has done pretty good here in last 5 years, 450%. You could buy this company also here. And then you got a few more here. Keep a watch on 1 year performance. Also, we got companies like SGML here. Sigma has done great in last 1 year here. Right now, RSI is 47. You could still buy this great company here. All right, now let's look at the battery companies. From a battery companies, whatever way you look, all these battery companies have got great long-term story. But right now, look, QuantumScape, which is a solid-state battery technology company, down big time here. Unless you are a long-term holder and a speculative trader, I would suggest not buying this. But if you are if you want to do a little bit bit speculation. You could buy some QuantumScape here. Stock is completely beaten down. Look, this company has down 68% in last 1 year. We talked about Lithium Americas. It's a lithium stock. It's a good one. But look, other stocks here, MVST, Solid Power and Frey, all down big time here. Solid Power has got a little bit higher overall score here. You could probably buy this one, but understand it's a speculation at this time. Solid Power seems to have a net margin, but look, gross margin is negative. So that's all these battery stocks are not great right now. Purely for speculation, you could buy QuantumScape or you could buy Solid Power and go from there. All right, now let's look at the chart here. From a chart perspective, I love SQM. It's a great stock. Stock has been doing great, as you can see here, but right now it's down. Look, nice downtrend here, but from a on the balance volume perspective, it's going higher. I would be a buyer of this company right here. Look, RSI is 44, tells you it's sold off here, and if you're a put option seller, you could make some good money. IV percentile is quite high. You could sell some put option way below current stock price and make some money. Next is FMC. This is a great company. Look, it's stuck in a downtrend right now, big time down here. On the balance volume is showing some promise here. You could buy this one for a long term here. It's completely sold off here. This can give a nice bounce back if you buy at these levels here. And then you got Albemarle. Albemarle also a good company. Look, it's down big time. Look at the drop here. Now it's showing some progress. You could buy this for a quick bounce back here. You could make some good money here. Also, RSI 40 tells you it's sold off big time here. And then you got Lithium Americas, same trajectory here. Look, sold off big time. And now it's a nice consolidation in on the balance volume. It's trying to go higher, and stock is also trying to go higher. You could buy some Lithium Americas here with all the energy stocks coming down. Even the lithium stocks came down. You could buy them at these levels here. All right, now let's jump in here. Look at the charging and picks and shovels. From a charging perspective, we got EVgo, BLNK, ChargePoint, Volta, and so on and so forth. Keep watching the overall score here. Only this one, BLNK, has got overall score 13, still low, but you could probably buy this one here. Relatively higher score, as you can see here. EVgo has got nice future growth here from a next year EPS growth and next year revenue growth perspective. ChargePoint is purely for speculators. You could, if you're a speculator, you could buy some of this company here. Overall score is 8, but company is not making money right now, and also looks 62% down from 52-week high here. And then we got here picks and shovels. This is some of my great stocks here. Look, we got Keysight, one of my favorite stock here, down big time here, down 36% from 52-week high, and it's got nice overall score of 78. Nice grade from Morningstar when it comes to financials and profitability. Net margin positive. You could buy this great stock for a long term. You will do well. And then we got few more here. Look, we got MGA, Magna, and LKQ. Both have got nice overall score here, along with one more here, Borg Warner. Those are my favorites. You could buy these companies here. Next, we got Autoliv and Gentherm here. Both are great ones here. You could buy both companies. Nice overall score 56. And look, many of these companies are profitable. Unlike these charging stocks, many of these stocks are profitable. You could buy them here, taking advantage of lower RSI. Tells you these stocks are sold off here. All right, now let's jump in here and look at the chart. Look, from a ChargePoint stock perspective, stock is beaten down. Look, now it's showing some promise here. At this time, if you're a speculator, you could buy some ChargePoint. This can bounce back from these levels here. BLNK is a better play here. Look, stock is sold off. Nice on the balance volume. You're trying to go higher here. You could buy some BLNK also here. And then got Keysight, one of my favorite here, completely clobbered. Look, now it's showing some progress here. You could buy some Keysight here. And LKQ stock is sold off here. On the balance volume is going higher. That tells you smart money is moving in. You could buy some LKQ also here. All right, now let's jump in. Look at EV software. From an EV software perspective, let's move this little bit to the right. All right, so from an EV software perspective, we got some great software stocks here. I don't need to talk about Apple. Apple is a great one. Low RSI stock is sold off here, and nice Morningstar grade here, and also nice Piotrowski score, which is 8, which is great score here. You could buy stock like Apple, Microsoft, Google, great ones here. But if you want some other stock, you could buy NATI here. Look at the overall score, 93, good enough here. Performance perspective, stock has not done great. Right now, stock is net margin positive. You could buy this company also for a nice bounce back from these levels here. And you got a few more, as you can see here. You got one right here, CRNC. It's also a good one here. You could buy. Overall score is 69 here. Stock is sold off big time. You could buy some CRNC also for the long term here. Net margin positive company. Other companies are all net margin negative, as you can see here. You got to be little bit careful here. If you want to buy some, look for the overall score. Relatively, higher the better. Lower overall score, you got to be a little bit careful here. I also got short ratio, as you can see here. Many of these stocks have got high short ratio. Look, MUIS has got highest short ratio here. Those stocks can cause some short squeeze. If you're a speculator, you could look at such a short ratio and look at the short squeeze type play. All right, now let's jump in here and look at the chart. From a chart perspective, Apple is a great stock here, completely clobbered here. Look, on the balance volume is going higher. You could buy some Apple here. Microsoft relatively stronger than Apple here. You could buy this one also. Low RSI stock is sold off. You could buy this great company here. Then you got NATI stock is sold off. On the balance volume going higher. You could buy this for a bounce back here. And then you got CRNC completely clobbered here. You could buy this one slowly, but look, on the balance volume is also trending lower. Slight uptick toward the end here. You could buy this one also. All right, now let's jump in, look at the automakers. From an automaker perspective, you got Tesla on the top here. Look at Tesla. It's a great company. I love Tesla. I always buy some Tesla when it's down big time. Because it's a high price stock, I end up buying call spreads here. It's a good one to buy here. Look, overall score 76 here. And company is profitable, 14% profit margin. This company is way ahead of other EV makers. And then you got few more here. You got Ford and GM, both are trying to catch up here. Both are big time down, as you can see here. Ford has got a nice overall score. You could buy this beaten down name here. You will have a nice bounce back here. And then you got few more here. TSLA is one of my favorite. You could buy this company here. Nice overall score, 96 here. Stock has lost 41% from 52-week high. You could buy this one also here. Then you got Chinese names like both NIO and Li here. And right now these stocks have gone a little bit higher. Look at the RSI here for these two stocks here, 60 and 73. I would wait for a pullback here. On the other hand, Ferrari or Race is a good one here. You could buy some Race at these levels. Nice overall score here. And you got one more here. I love this company, NIO. It's a Chinese scooter maker here. Nice overall score of 68. You could buy this one also. Profit margin positive, as you can see here. All right, now let's jump in here and look at stock charts here. From a stock chart perspective, look, Tesla is sold off big time. Look, on the balance volume is going higher. I'm a buyer of Tesla at these levels here. And Ford is completely down here. If you're a contrarian, you could buy some Ford here. RSI 37. This can have a nice bounce back opportunity. Right now it's completely sold off here. You could buy some Ford. A lot of negative news in the market about Ford right now. And then you got Ferrari. Ferrari is doing pretty okay here. Now it's trying to bounce back. You could buy some Ferrari here. RSI 39 tells you stock is sold off here. Then you got NIO here. It's a better name in China. RSI is going higher. RSI is 59. I would wait for a little bit pullback here before I buy some NIO here. All right, now let's conclude. From a conclusion perspective, when it comes to EV battery, I would go with the leaders like SQM, LAC. These are the leaders here, and go from there. Then when it comes to the EV charging, you could go with the BLNK and ChargePoint. Both are speculative plays. You could go with those. When it comes to pick and shovels here, go with the Keysight, Magna, Borg Warner, Autoliv, and THRM. From an EV software perspective, go with Apple, Google, and CRNC. EV maker perspective, automaker perspective, go with Tesla, Ford, Race or Ferrari, and NIO. NIO is slightly high from a RSI perspective. Wait for a little pullback and then buy some NIO. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.